Hey friends, this is Atif here, and welcome to the new update on BarnBridge. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that BarnBridge has broken out a multi-year base resistance, a down trend line resistance, and after that, it broke out another down channel on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout from the down channel, it was stuck inside in another up channel, and still it is moving inside this channel. However, the target for this breakout from this down channel that I was telling you was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $4, and you can see that the price has rallied beyond that target. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this side, then you can see that so far it has rallied more than 83%. And right now, you can see it is trying to break out this short-term resistance on that we have recently found. You can see that where we have these spikes of the candlestick up till this high of this spike of the candlestick. This level is breaking as a very strong resistance for the past several days since after October 2023. You can see it is breaking other resistance here, and now for the past several days, it is breaking again as a very strong resistance zone. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this huge resistance breakout that I have been showing you in my so many previous videos. You can see that it has broken out this multi-year based resistance, and recently BarnBridge has also broken out this very long-term resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. In fact, it is breaking it out, and I'm expecting that within next few hours when this weekly candlestick will be closed, then we may have this closing above the resistance of this Ichimoku very big Ichimoku bearish cloud resistance. And in today's video, we will also analyze this move as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for BarnBridge that I shared, by the way, on 14th of December 2023 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guarded pattern that BarnBridge formed with Bitcoin pair on the 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup, a buying range, and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very nice reversal from this buying zone and read the sell target zone here. And again, we dropped slightly down than this potential reversal zone, but then we had a very massive rally. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reversal bat move that was formed on the 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price started another very nice reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 33% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Let's start the analysis, and let me to take you to the live chart of BarnBridge. And this is the daily time frame chart. And this was the down channel that I was showing you in my previous videos. And you can see that for several days from 3rd of January 2024 up till here, up till 29th of January 2024, the price line has been moving inside this down channel. And finally, we broke it out here on 24th of January. Not here, here on 30th of January 2024, we broke it out. And after that, we had a very powerful rally. The target for this breakout that we were expecting was here at the top of the channel, approximately at $4. And you can see that it has rallied beyond that target, and now it is stuck inside in another up channel. Right now, it is struggling to break out this resistance zone that starts approximately from $4.66 and goes to $5.22. And previously, you can see that this level is breaking as a very strong resistance zone here, and support and resistance on here. And now again, for the past several days, it is breaking at a very strong resistance zone. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance zone and this resistance of the up channel as well. In case of breaking down the support of the channel, the target to the downside can be here at the bottom of the channel, approximately at $3.10. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this channel, the target to the upside can be here. That will be almost at this next long-term resistance of $6.50. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $6.50 has been previously breaking at a very strong resistance here and resistance here. And before that, it has been breaking as a very strong support here back in the month of March 2022. And therefore, again, it is breaking as a very strong resistance. Now, if we take a look at this very, very long-term downtrend line resistance that is broken out recently, you can see that even after breaking out this big falling wedge pattern, the price line could not break out this long-term downtrend line resistance. This was a quite massive pump, by the way. If I place this measurement tool from this low to this high, then you can see that it was almost 1,056% rally, but the price line could not continue this move to the upside due to this downtrend line resistance. We got two more rejections here and one rejection here, two more rejections here, one more rejection here and here. And finally, we have broken out this resistance, but got rejected by the next long-term resistance of $6.50. Therefore, we will still need to break out the $6.50 resistance in order to continue this rally to the upside. However, recently you can see that we also formed this down channel as well, and the target for this breakout from the channel was here at the top of the channel where we have this resistance of $6.50, and the price line has already achieved that target because this rally was up to $8.20. And during this rally, the price line has also broken out this very, very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud as well. Almost it has broken it out because you can see that it has crossed up the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and right now you can see it is crossing up the upper bands of this Ichimoku bearish cloud. And within the next few hours, when this weekly candlestick will be closed, that I'm expecting that it will be closed above this resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. And after breaking out this cloud, it can make a powerful attempt to break out the next long-term resistance of $6.50. Now, if we take a look at the target for the previous falling wedge pattern breakout, because that move is still due, despite we had this long-term, very, very powerful rally, almost 1,056%, but the price line did not hit the target and that move is still due. That target is here at the top of this wedge. That can be between $80 to $100. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.